Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be making chicken bite for the kid. I'm using chicken breast and I mince it at home, okay, just the way you're seeing on the screen, and I'll put everything in a large enough bowl. Then I'm going to go ahead and season it with some paprika, black pepper, and a bit of salt, and then a large egg and some baking flours. You can use cornstarch, but baking flour as well goes well with it. Then I'm going to put in my gloves. I'll mix this until everything is well mixed together. You can add seasoning or reduce seasoning. Once everything is well mixed like this, I'm going to scrape that, and in my own work surface I'm just going to line up the cling film, not cling film please, foil paper, and then I'll spread out some flour because it's still sticky at this point, okay. And then I'm going to spread it out just the way you're seeing on the screen, and I'm going to cut it into square, and I'll be back. So this is the shape I went for, and I'm going to put this in the fridge for about 30 minutes, and 30 minutes later I just heat up my oil and it's time to fry it. I'll fry this until it's golden brown, and you don't want the heat to be too much while frying this. Constantly stir on it so it doesn't stick together. And now look at how delicious that's looking. Once it is golden brown, we are going to take that out and we will put it in our bowl that we set aside earlier, just the way you can see. And then voila, that is all ready. Can you see that? I served that with some ketchup by the side, and the kid enjoyed it. And I mean, as you're watching it, I'm sure you also enjoyed watching. That's how easy it is to make chicken bite at home, and this snack is so good for the kids, okay, and they will enjoy it. Have you subscribed yet? If you haven't, please remember to subscribe to this channel. We have a lot of goodies in here that you will love, and share with your friends so that we'll all learn together. And yeah, thank you so much. That is the end of our recipe for today. I will see you in my next video, and until then, always remember that Jesus loves you so much. Bye.